It was probably the hardest decision I had to make. I had broken into tears several times. I didn't want my baby to go through the surgery. I was really hoping that his little heart would heal on his own, but that wasn't the case. It was around 8 to 9 months of his age when we realized that he was not doing well. He wasn't catching up on growth, and his little body was working more than what it should have been. He was breathing very heavily, therefore he was not the greatest candidate to take a bottle on his own because that would be very risky. He could choke. He was being fed by a NG tube, feeding tube. We discovered that Lucas had a heart condition called ventricular septal defect. We were introduced with Children's Hospital of Michigan with Dr. Al-Hamadi and his team, who took over Lucas' case.
Lucas came in with his mom and dad, and they were definitely stressed, worried. We reviewed his data, his signs and symptoms, and his echocardiogram. When we looked, he has a large hole between his two ventricles. We call it ventricular septal defect. It's a hole between the left and the right ventricle. The only option is to close this hole surgically by an open heart surgery where we use the heart and lung machine. Then we have an access to the hole. We usually close it with a patch.
He assured us that he would care for Lucas as he was his own child. That's what gave me assurance that he wasn't just a doctor and expert. He wanted to care for my baby like it was his own. I was so thankful for all the staff. The nurse was always by his side, and the doctor would constantly come and check on him. That gave us comfort. Now he's reaching his full potential. He has the capability to do what a child at his age is doing, and that's what else can we ask for? It's a significant positive change after the surgery, and we're very thankful that we did. It is a very hard journey to go through, but we are super thankful to be on this other side and to see our child finally thrive.
We're expecting him to have a normal life. Now the circulation is back again to normal circulation, no different from any other child. I told him I'm looking forward for them to invite me one day when he's graduating high school. The family will enjoy him for the rest of their life.